Challenges of rocket launch in Spain. Spain is an emerging space player in Europe with strong aerospace capabilities and growing interest in launching rockets. But turning that ambition into reality brings several challenges. First, there is the issue of geography. While Spain has access to the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea, densely populated areas and air traffic routes limit available launch corridors. Safety is a concern, especially for orbital launches that require wide, uninhabited downrange zones. Second, weather variability affects launch planning. Although Spain enjoys many clear days, coastal areas can experience strong winds and sudden weather shift, particularly in the Canary Islands, where some launch efforts are being explored. Infrastructure limitations are another hurdle. Spain has experience with satellite development and testing, but lacks a fully operational orbital spaceport. Facilities like El Arenocillo in Huelva are currently used for suborbital and research launches, not large-scale rocket missions. Then there is regulatory readiness. Spain is still building a clear, streamlined legal framework for commercial spaceflight. Launch license, environmental approvals, and airspace coordination all need to evolve to support a full-fledged launch industry. Economic prioritization also plays a role. While Spain invests in space through the European Space Agency, national launch programs receive limited funding compared to sectors like energy, tourism, or infrastructure. Despite these challenges, Spain's space sector is growing, with startups like PLD Space and support from European Space Agency. The country is on track to join the small but growing list of nations with domestic launch capabilities, one step at a time. Thanks for watching.